Okay, so this is kind of the soldering piece. So I'm not actually going to be soldering during this video. Maybe I'll do it at another time. But basically you push those up through, like it sits on top of this. This black body here comes through, the header comes through, and then you solder along the top. But I'm just going to show you kind of what I did. I'm not going to actually show you soldering because it's already soldered, but basically I taped it down onto the table so that it wouldn't move around. And then I approach it on one side with this, and I sort of touched both with a hot soldering iron, and then I dabbed at it with this. Like I dabbed at it from the other side with the solder, and then the next one, dabbed at it with solder, dabbed at it with solder, like that, on down the line. So that's kind of my process. Maybe at another time I'll make a video about soldering, but this is not it.